today we have a very short ceremony to perform. That is to swear in our new Deputy National Secretary, Barrister Wogu Bombs from Rivers State. There's not much to say apart from telling you that we cannot have a vacuum at that level of party administration. We need immediately to fill that vacancy so that the National Secretary can be assisted in the onerous responsibility and task of running the party from day to day. And I would like to call on Barrister Wogu Bombs to please step up.
Bombs.
Do solemnly swear.
Do solemnly swear.
Affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance.
I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance.
To the All Progressives Congress.
To the All Progressives Congress.
And the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And that I will preserve.
I will preserve.
Protect. And defend the Constitution of the All Progressives Congress.
And defend the Constitution of the All Progressives Congress.
And the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of service. I, your name,
Wogu Bombs,
do solemnly swear and affirm.
Do solemnly swear and affirm.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And bear true allegiance to the All Progressives Congress.
And bear true allegiance to the All Progressives Congress.
As the Deputy National Secretary.
As the Deputy National Secretary.
Of All Progressives Congress.
Of All Progressive Congress.
I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability.
I will discharge my duty to the best of my ability.
Faithfully.
Faithfully.
And in accordance with the Constitution of the party.
And in accordance with the Constitution of the party.
And always in the interest of the integrity.
And always in the interest of the integrity.
Solidarity.
Well-being.
And prosperity of the party.
And prosperity of the party.
As contained in the Constitution and Manifesto.
As contained in the Constitution and Manifesto.
That I will not allow my personal interest.
That I will not allow my personal interest.
To influence my official conduct.
To influence my official conduct.
Or my official decisions.
Or my official decision.
That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve.
That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve.
Protect.
And
defend the Constitution of the party.
And defend the Constitution of the party.
That I will do right to all members of the party.
That I will do right to all members of the party.
And to all manner of people.
And to all manner of people.
According to law.
According to law.
Without fear or favor.
Without fear or favor.
Affection or ill will.
Affection or ill will.
That I will not directly.
I will not directly
or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person
any
matter which shall be brought under my consideration or become known to me as an officer of the party. Except as may be required. For the due discharge of my duties. As an officer of the party. And I will devote myself. To the service. And well-being of members of the party. And the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
So help me God.
Secretariat as the Deputy National Secretary of our dear party, the All Progressives Congress. You will be working under the direct supervision and control of the National Secretary of our party, Architect Waziri Bulama. We know that by your antecedents as the former Attorney General of Rivers State, and a very conscientious and confident and committed member of our dear party in Rivers State, that you will discharge your functions as directed by the National Secretary to the very best of your ability. And in my dual capacity as the National Vice Chairman of the party from the South-South, that you will not bring shame to the South-South zone of the party. You're welcome.
Thank you.
We will greet the COVID-19 way. Let me present Let me present the Consensus Congress to you. This will guide you in your day-to-day activities in the party.
Thank you.
Thank you. With us, we have come to the end of this brief ceremony. By the special grace of God, we now have a Deputy National Secretary who will assist our very capable and professional National Secretary of the party in the discharge of his duties as the administrator and the head of administration of the Secretariat of the All Progressives Congress. So thank you and God bless you.
Thank you.